late night at O'Hare. We're in the Rotunda right now. And look, we've got a couple elevators. I think this one's a service car, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's service. You got to scan for that one. But right here, we have a Series 1. The way the metal of the fixtures matches the metal of the door and just the wall it's on, it actually looks quite nice. Ah, yes. Smells like hydro fluid. This cab it kind of looks older, but I'm pretty sure this was just installed in the 90s. Mother's room. And there's a yoga room too. Oh wow, I've never even been up here. We'll take a quick look. Looks like the other elevator doesn't come up to this end. Maybe it goes somewhere in there, I don't know. But anyway, we'll go back down. I actually really like the design of this whole place. This is a nice, very different from the rest of the airport. Looks like a roof hatch up there. Some sort of roof area. We'll end the video on the second floor. Nice rough stop. I don't know, this might be, I can't tell if this is an LRV or if it's a 211. It's either an early 211 or a late LRV. And here we are at the top. It's very empty right now. Anyway, that's it.